This is for Year 12 Methods. It's Tech Masterclass number 4, which is the third of our tangent questions. So what have we got? We've got this function with the domain is R. It's an x squared times x, so it's a cubic. And p is a positive real number. So what do I know about this? I know that this could be factorised to x minus p, x plus p, x minus 3p. So there should be 3 intercepts, one at negative p, another one at p, and one at 3p. Okay, and p is positive, so that makes sense. So what do I need to do? I need to find the equation of the tangent called t1 of f of x at 2p. Express it in terms of p. So I'm going to find the tangent at 2p. Now that tangent should be there, and that tangent's going to run and look like that, and that's going to be t1. Okay, so I'm over here, I select it, interactive, calculation, line, tan line at 2p. And that gives me an equation, and that equation is y equals minus p squared x minus p cubed. Okay, so what do I know? So y equals minus p squared x minus p cubed. If this tangent t1 intersects the curve at the point R, write down the coordinates of R, draw this tangent on the diagram on the previous page. So it cuts the other curve at point R. So what I'd like to do is I would like to set this equal to this and solve for x. And I got at minus p and at 2p. So there is 2p and also at minus p. So point R must be minus p and 0. And if I could draw t1, it's going to look like that. That's going to be at minus p cubed, and that's point R, which is minus p and 0. So point R is minus p and 0. Find the equation of the tangent t2 of the curve at R. Give your answer. So what I want to do is I now need to find another tan line. So if I was to select all of this, and I'm finding it at minus p. That's my equation. My equation will be y equals 8p squared x plus 8p cubed. If this tangent intersects the other curve at point S, determine the equations of point S. So if I'm doing my T2, it's going to intersect somewhere way up there. So I take this equation and I set it equal to this equation, and I select all of that and I solve it for x. X is going to be at minus p, I agree, and also at 5p. So point S will be at 5p and some coordinate, and it doesn't matter which one I use because they're going to be intersecting at that point. Maths given x equals 5p gives me an answer of 48p cubed is what S is.